Gadget Junkie here, bringing you guys a video gadget today. In this video, I'm featuring this ULANZI TT52 invisible selfie stick tripod. For transparency, I bought the selfie stick and the Insta360 X4 Air that you see here with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So I just picked up this Insta360 recently. My package came with the Insta360 invisible selfie stick, which works great. My only complaint is that this here is not quite long enough for the type of shots I want to do, and it doesn't have a built-in tripod. So that's why I picked up the ULANZI. This here is just a tad bit longer than the selfie stick, obviously, but this here being a tripod, you're going to have that built in. So it's easy to operate. You got a button here on the bottom. Simply press it. The tripod legs open up and you can mount your cameras. This is made for your Insta360s, your DJI Osmo 360, as well as your GoPro 360 cams. Screws right on there, and you can extend this out as far as you need it to go, out to 59 inches, which is cool for those drone style shots with your 360 camera, right? Now, this also does come with a GoPro mount if you need to have a GoPro style adapter. So pretty universal application here for your 360 camera, guys. So if you guys are looking for a nice tripod and invisible selfie stick for your 360 cams, I highly recommend this ULANZI. I hope this helps.